If you are in the rental display business, you know this thing all too well. The constant transport, the rough handling, the tight turnarounds. And you definitely know this pain, damaged LEDs from impact. It means emergency repairs, unhappy clients, and lost revenue. What if you could drastically reduce that risk? Meet Lamatech from Liantronics. By leveraging our R&D and supply chain stress, we have comprehensively upgraded our protected technology. Lamatech is the result, an integrated anti-collision innovation. Think of it as ultimate armor for your LED display. It provides all-around defense, significantly reducing the knot and impacts that cause LEDs to fail. LEDs with Lamatech have over 4 times the welding thrust of conventional LEDs, creating an incredibly strong and secure bond. The result? Fewer fails, longer lifespan, and faster turnover. Clients using Lamatech report 70 to 90% reduction in maintenance and 30 to 50% increase in profitability. Lamatech works with our entire rental lineup. Choose Pilot Pro, E-Swan, and E-Corner, giving you the creative freedom to build any shape with the peace of mind you deserve. All available in 5-page options from P1.5 to P2.6 for stunning clarity, even up close. Stop letting lamp jobs eat into your profit. Experience the game-changing difference with Lamatech. Contact us for a quote and to schedule a live demo.